In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen in Affinity. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is select your image. I'm going to create a copy just to show you the before and after. And then here, you want to go to the Pixel tab up top, hover over New Filter Layer or New Live Filter Layer, and then hover over Sharpen, and you have a few options. Now, you could use any of these you want. I'm just going to do the Unsharp Mask, and then here you can go ahead and do your magic. So you can adjust this radius, which will, of course, make adjustments to your image. You can adjust this factor over here as well. Just make sure it does still look good, okay? And then you could also, of course, set the opacity, the blend mode, whatever you want to do. And then you can just click on the merge button, and it's going to merge it onto your image. And if I now do it before and after, as you can see, it's a bit less blurry. Now you could go ahead and just repeat this, or you could go to, for example, Pixel again, and then you could go into Sharpen and use something like Clarity over here, which of course can also kind of change some of the images. Now it's not going to have a drastic effect, however, it's going to have a bit of it, so you could do that too, and then click Merge again, and then you could just go ahead and pretty much use all these different filters to try and sharpen your image. Now one of them is also the high pass. If I click on high pass, it's going to look like this. It's going to get grayed out. However, you want to kind of hover over the radius, for example, to like this. Let's say this is cool for me, and I'm gonna not click merge. I'm just going to click on this exit button over here, and then I'm gonna change it from normal to linear light here. And if I click this, as you can see, it's now a bit sharper. And if I now see the before and after, as you can see, there's quite a bit of a difference, and my image has been sharpened by a bit. Now, of course, you can't make it perfect, but you can make it much better than it was at the beginning. So that's how to do it. Play around with it, and I hope your results will be great. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.